Did you know that in just one day you can enhance curb appeal, increase property value, and prevent costly damage to your house before it starts?